What is a toxic relationship? I just want to make this definition very clear that when love, friendship, or even partnership consistently drains you of your peace, when it drains you of your dignity and it drains you of your growth, then that means that that relationship is toxic. And it's important for individual persons to distinguish between a toxic relationship and a healthy relationship. This is very important because sometimes people find themselves in toxic relationships and they tend to get stuck in a toxic relationship. They're unable to realize that actually this is a toxic relationship and it's posing a threat in their lives. And so it's important for individuals to understand and make an assessment, an evaluation of the relationship that you will find yourself in as to whether you can deem it as a healthy relationship or a toxic relationship. So that distinction is very important. So how do you know the difference between a healthy relationship and a toxic relationship? So when we talk about a healthy relationship, we mean that healthy relationships are ones that nurture. And when you're talking about nurturing here, it basically means that they are beneficial to you as a person. They give you inner sense of peace. They are relationships that elevate your dignity as a person and not undermine your dignity. They're relationships that, are geared towards your growth and development. And so that is a healthy relationship. Compare that to a toxic relationship that is always seeking to control. And people who apparently are in a toxic relationship, in most cases you find them stuck in there because then it is possible that they have been in this kind of relationship with a person for a long period of time, and therefore they find it very difficult to step out or to break off such a relationship because they have inner sense of guilt. And so it's important to make that deliberate, that intentional decision to walk away from that kind of relationship that is toxic. And so it is important that we understand that a toxic relationship is one that we have talked about, is one that you look at love, you look at friendship, and you're looking at partnership. Usually, on many occasions, drains your inner peace. And so here, we have to be very careful. And in the next clip, I will be sharing with us the symptoms of a toxic relationship so that we can be able to understand those symptoms, because then they're going to help you to make a determination as to whether you want to continue with that relationship or you're going to stop that relationship. So this is very important, and I am hoping that we can walk this journey together so that you can be able to benefit from this conversation. May God bless you as we look forward to the next topic or subtopic, in which I'll be highlighting in detail the symptoms of a toxic relationship. This will help us to make informed decisions in terms of the relationships that we find ourselves in. My name is Reverend Canon Richard Otieno.